my friends out there. Welcome yet again to my channel. I take this opportunity to again thank you all for your support, motivation, and appreciation. I also take this platform as an opportunity to help to appreciate the help I am provided by with my creative team, the support I am being given by my parents, the blessings that I am being provided by my God, and the support system and the blessings and love and warmth being given to my by my power animals, my spiritual guides, and all my allies who are always beside me, who are always protecting me and shielding me, always showering me with their love and positivity. I pray that whosoever is watching this reading may also be blessed in this cocoon of positivity, and may we all have lovely time ahead. Amen. All right, friends, moving forward. This reading is not a time specific reading. This is a sign specific reading, and this reading is dedicated to my zodiac sign Libra. The topic that we have taken this time is there comes a moment in our lives, there comes a situation in our lives where we have to take some decision as to which path to take. We reach a T point, we reach a very crucial decision making point where we have to decide which path to take, whether it is right or wrong, or the path that we have chosen is right for us or wrong. What obstacles are we going to face, and what help can we get on this path along? So in this reading, I'll be trying to provide you with some insights. I'll be trying to provide you with some guidance. So my Librans, if the reading resonates with you, please do write in the comment section below. All the other zodiac signs, this reading may or may not resonate with you. Please do not get confused with sun, moon, rising, or Venus signs. Whatever zodiac sign you are resonating with, you are inclined to, please follow that reading. All right, my Librans, let's see what the reading has in store for you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. How is your health? How is your wealth? Your emotional, psychological, physical body, how is it going on? Do reach out to me. Do tell me about it. I'll be happy to reach out to you as well. All right, my Librans. See, whenever you are stuck at this such sort of point in your life, the one and the foremost thing which you must learn and must remember is always try to understand, or always try to focus on your strengths. These strengths or attributes or the gifts that you are already bestowed with are going to take you out of the situation in any way, any cause, any situation possible. So my Librans, you are losing faith in yourself. You are losing faith in your talents. Why is that so? You have lots of creative abilities. You have lots of resources available to you. You have people who are backing you up, but you are losing your sight for the goal. You are losing your, that drive. You are feeling that you may not be able to achieve what you have dreamt. First point of achieving a goal, or the first and foremost point of reaching a goal, is the manifestation. If in the conception and manifestation stage itself you are going to feel or see yourself as a loser, you will not be able to even move an inch forward. Do not look at yourself like this. Pick up yourself. You have the energy, you have the ability, you have the drive. Please wake up the zeal within you. Please wake up the driving energy within you. Pump up that yang energy. Get up, move forward. And the reading concerned, are you on the right track? Absolutely yes. The path which you have thought for yourself, the path or the blueprint which you had drawn for yourself, which you wanted to go forward, and through which you wanted to achieve your dream goals or projects, or either on your professional field, either on your personal level, it is the right thing to do. Please do not fall back. Move forward, keep moving forward. The only obstacle that is coming in your way in this course of action is yourself. You are stopping yourself in going forward. There is no obstacle. Everything is your mind created. Everything is in your mind. You need to clear your mind. You need to sit down and you need to read the framework again. You need to understand the logic. You need to understand the concept which you already know. But you are taking a step back just because of your luxuries. You are in a very pleasurable state of mind and you do not want to, work out. You do not want to exert some kind of any kind of pressure on yourself. Don't do that. You have to come out of your comfort zone. You have to come out of the cocoon. That is the time when the transformation takes place. There is no point, there is no use of talents wasted away. You need to come out of it. And if you are not going to work out, if you are not going to keep track of your progress, you yourself in your heart know this is causing lots of disappointment to you. You know you need to get up. You know very well you shouldn't stop here. You know yourself that this is not the right thing you are doing. You please get up and please continue with your work. Please continue with your dream. Please continue with the energy. Do not let anything stop you, and you are stopping yourself. You need to move forward, and the progress can only be made only and only by you. You have the team ready, you have the resources ready, you have the creative ability, you have the brain work, you have the network, everything you have on a platter, but you are not getting up to eat it. You are just expecting that the food is going to fall in your mouth. No, my dear friend, this is not going to happen. You need to work it out. You need to sweat it out. You need to get up from your luxurious life. You need to come out of your comfort zone. Only and only then are you going to reach your goals, and only then are you going to free yourself. Right? So my Librans, please stay strong, stay focused, and do not feel disappointed, and do not take things as for granted. You know in your heart of hearts, you know that. So do not waste any more time and get into it. Get into action. Here's hoping a very, very fine and positive time ahead, and lots of strength to you. Thank you and God bless.